Now our volunteer Sai Teja will briefly present our activities.
Good evening, Swamijis and Brahmacharis of Ramakrishna Math, guests, professors and faculty, and students of IIT Madras. Now let us begin our orientation by having a look at some of the soul-stirring statements of Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. Never think there is anything impossible for the soul. It is the greatest heresy to think so. If there is sin, this is the only sin, to say that you are weak or others are weak. We are what our thoughts have made us, so take care about what you think. Words are secondary, thoughts live, they travel far. This life is short, the vanities of the world are transient, but they alone live who live for others, the rest are more dead than alive. Swami Vivekananda was the embodiment of love, manifestation of divinity, and an expression of great strength. Vivekananda's philosophy was not one of weakness and superstition, but one that brings strength, courage, and truth to the one who applies them. All ideals that VSC stands for are vividly visible in the character and ideas of Swami Vivekananda. Now let me present you the vision and ideals of VSC. The vision of VSC is threefold: to present the youth the greatness and profoundness of India and its cultural heritage, and to rejuvenate and kindle the national spirit in the Indian citizen; to present the rationality behind the Indian philosophy and its customs and beliefs, and to prevent the values and to present the values of the Indian custom in their true light; to put before youth the presence of a higher and profounder life by which he may be both an invaluable citizen and also a complete person in himself. Now let me explain the birth of VSC. In 1997, a group of inquisitive and enthusiastic IITians felt the need for a students' forum that could expand one's horizons and experience the perennial philosophy of India's cultural heritage. The result of their initiative is an ever-expanding and evolving organization powered by the cooperation of enthusiastic faculty and students of this institution. Now you may ask me, why choose Swami Vivekananda for such a mission and mission? So let us take a look at some of the comments of eminent personalities on Swami Vivekananda. Rabindranath Tagore told, "If you want to know India, study Vivekananda." Mahatma Gandhi remarked, "I have gone through his works very thoroughly, and after having gone through them, the love that I had for my country became 1,000-fold." Christopher Isherwood said, one of the very greatest historical figures that India has ever produced." Subhash Chandra Bose exclaimed, if he had been alive, I would have been at his feet. So I think there is no more need to establish the intensity of inspiration he radiates. The one motto on which VSC runs is this: unselfishness is God. I can confidently say that you can clearly see the manifestation of this very ideal in all the volunteers of VSC, and the same is expected from ones who wish to join. Now let us have a look at some of our activities. Friday discussions. The Friday discussions are the platform where the volunteers of VSC discuss, debate, and digest various ideas of Swami Vivekananda and several other luminaries. These discussions are held in the VSC room, which is situated in the Brahmaputra hostel. Sunday classes. Sunday classes are the most cherished activity of VSC. Discourses will be on topics related to national heritage, personality development, and character building. These classes will be generally presided over by Swami Atmashraddhanandaji Maharaj, who has also been our mentor for the past 10 years. Sunday classes consist of chanting of Shanti Mantras, guided meditation session, reading from the letters of Swami Vivekananda, a 40 to 45 minute talk on the day's topic, question and answer session. Special lectures. Our special lecture series is where we invite esteemed speakers to speak on varied topics ranging from Indian culture to deeper meaning of spirituality to varied aspects of human mind and others. Over the years, we have had many esteemed speakers deliver lectures. You can see some of them here. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam spoke on creativity and youth power. Professor T.J.K. Murthy, who is a former ISRO director, spoke on Swami Vivekananda, an intuitive scientist. Michael Daneno, who is the convener of the International Forum for India's Heritage, spoke on why we proud to be an Indian, 12 great achievements of the Indian civilizations. Shraddhalu Ranade, who is a scientist, spoke on the Indian genius. Vivekananda Heritage Walk. Chennai occupies a special position in Swamiji's life. He delivered 7 profound lectures on his way back from the Parliament of Religions, Chicago, after having a triumphant success there. To acquaint freshers with the rich heritage of Chennai, we have been organizing Vivekananda Heritage Walk, connecting some of the heritage sites that are closely associated with Swami Vivekananda. Calendar distribution. Every year, calendars are distributed to all the freshers as a welcome to IIT. National Youth Day celebrations. Swami Vivekananda's birthday, which is on 12th January, is celebrated as National Youth Day every year. As part of the celebrations, we organize a special lecture and exhibition on Swamiji's teachings and sale of books on personality development, concentration, meditation, and other related subjects. And we can see an excerpt from the past here. Library. VSC has a rich collection of books which were collected over many years. There are about 700 books covering various topics like personality development, biographies, Indian history and heritage, spirituality, scriptures, and philosophical works. All are welcome to join our activities. There is neither any fee charged nor any membership required to attend our events and activities. Thank you. Om Tat Sat.